So how to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages? First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager right here, guys, you will find all the apps. Go to the messenger right here and click on it. And then click on first stop and go to the storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and then click on power usage details. And then click down here on first stop. Go back to the settings on your phone and then go to the settings. As I said, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode for 10 seconds and disable it. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial. Thank you so much.